Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel CS Pictorial. This is an interesting video about logos related to computer technology. The various logos of software, technology companies, programming languages and many more are displayed for you to guess in less than 5 seconds. A short description is also included for each logo. Watch this video until the end, you will surely enjoy guessing the logos. Microsoft. Microsoft is an American technology company that develops and sells software, services, and hardware, including the Windows operating system, the Microsoft 365 suite that includes apps like Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. Android. Android is an operating system developed by Google for touchscreen devices like smartphones and tablets. AMD. AMD stands for Advanced Micro Devices. AMD is a multinational company that designs and develops computer processors, APU, that is Accelerated Processing Units, GPUs, that is Graphics Processing Units, and other chips. Apple Inc. Apple Inc. is a multinational company that designs and manufactures electronics like iPhone, iPad, and Mac computers and also provides operating systems like iOS, Mac OS. Hope this is very easy to guess. VLC Media Player. VLC Media Player is a free open source multimedia player that can play most multimedia files including MP4, AVI, and many more. Udemy. Udemy is an online learning platform that offers courses across a wide range of topics from technology and business to creative thinking and personal development. Many would have guessed it right. Instagram. Instagram is a social networking service that allows users to share photos and videos with friends, family, and the public. NetApp. NetApp is used for data storage and management across on-premises and multi-cloud environments. Its solutions provide data storage for applications, databases, and file services, along with capabilities for data protection, disaster recovery, and high-performance data access. Python. Python is a high-level programming language known for its simple syntax and is used for web development, software development, data science, automation, etc. Inkscape. Inkscape, similar to Adobe Illustrator, is a free and open source graphics editor used for creating and editing quality images for logos, illustrations, and diagrams. This is a very easy logo to guess. Adobe. Adobe is a software company well known for its software like Photoshop and Illustrator, Acrobat for PDF documents, and the Experience Cloud for businesses. LinkedIn. LinkedIn is an employment-oriented social network that allows users to connect with professionals and find job opportunities. NVIDIA. NVIDIA is a global leader in the design of graphics processing units, that is GPUs, which are used in applications ranging from video games to artificial intelligence. This is again a very familiar logo, Gmail. Gmail is a free email service from Google that allows users to send and receive digital messages, files, and media over the internet. Java. Java is a popular object-oriented programming language used for building desktop applications, web applications, Android apps, and enterprise systems. CorelDRAW. CorelDRAW is a professional graphics design software that includes programs for creating logos, photo editing, developing business cards. CorelDRAW is similar to Inkscape we had seen previously. Inkscape is a free open source program while CorelDRAW is a proprietary paid software suite. CorelDRAW is often considered more of a professional grade. Microsoft Edge. Microsoft Edge is a web browser developed by Microsoft to replace Internet Explorer. Microsoft Edge offers faster browsing and improved security features. Broadcom. Broadcom is the designer, developer, manufacturer, and global supplier of a wide range of semiconductors like Wi-Fi chips, network switches, microprocessors, LED lighting, and other infrastructure software products. Qualcomm. Qualcomm is a world leader in wireless innovations and is known for its Snapdragon chipsets found in many smartphones and other devices. Meta. Meta is the parent company of prominent social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, and Threads. It's done. Please comment how many logos you guessed right, your score out of 20. This would greatly encourage us. Please do not forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative computer tutorials. Hit the bell icon for sure. Thank you for watching.